Hi everybody, we are the Arty Crafty Son and yes, that is right. And of course, we are going to do a challenge today. Okay, I'm sure that all of you must have bought a lot of art and craft books. Okay, and we are going to try something inside this book. And my son say he is going to do the introduction and what we are going to do today. So I will leave this time to the Arty Crafty Son.
Hello. Today we're going to do Disney challenge book.
Disney idea books. Yeah, ideas book. Yes. So what are we going to do, Kenzo?
We're going to do
Remy. Remy from which movie? From Ratatouille. Okay. Yes.
And this is how Remy looks like.
Yes, and this is what we are going to challenge. It's called Catch the Rat. It's a game, and let's see what are the materials that we need. Over here it says we need cardboard tube. This is the cardboard tube. What else do we need? Can you read? Can you read second one? Paint. Yes. So these are the three colors that we're going to use. Scissors. Brush. Paint. I already showed them. And pencil. And 3
paper cups.
We don't have paper cups, so we are going to use plastic cups. And Kenzo, you were saying that these cups look like what?
The chef hat.
Yes, the chef hat. Yes, so Remy is going to hide under the chef hat. So Kenzo, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go! So right now we're going to start doing the rat over here, and if you can see, what Kenzo need to do is that he need to draw the ears. Okay, and then after that I will help him to cut it out, and we are going to paint Remy. So Kenzo, do you remember how to draw the pencil lines?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, so I'm going to just put this aside. Okay, and you are going to draw the pencil mark right now. And of course, we have already started putting the paint in the palette with 3 brushes for the 3 different colors. And my son is very busy. Okay, I'm going to get him to bring it up a bit more so that you all can see. Okay. Yes, go behind all the way. All the way, all the way, all the way, all the way. Okay. To where? Yes. Okay, so he has drawn, even though the ears is one is smaller than the other, but it doesn't matter. It is a very unique Remy. And make sure that this Remy, right, are able to go into the cup. I'm going to help him to cut. Okay, so if let's say your child are not able to cut it, then you can just help me. Wait, let me just trim it a bit. So that it looks nice. Okay, so we are done. It's so easy to just cut it. Okay, so Kenzo is going to paint the whole rat blue. Okay. Okay, before we continue painting, we are going to see if the mouse Oops, the rat fit into the cup. Yes, Kenzo. It fits! Okay, so Kenzo, you can start painting right now. Okay? Okay, let me just help you.
No, we need to draw.
Don't need to draw, just paint. Come. You can just put your hand inside here. Hold here. Hold here and paint. Okay, continue please. I'll help you to hold so that your hand will not get dirty.
You need to wash your hand.
You mean you don't need to wash your hand? Okay, very good. Behind, yes. Thanks for painting my hand. Paint on the cardboard. Okay, you can take some more. Yes, okay, come.
Happy Monday.
Yeah, thanks. Thank you for painting my hand. So all you need to do is to go round and round and round. Okay? So right now we're going to do the pink, which is the ear for Remy. Ta-da! And the eyes.
This what?
Okay. See.
Mary looks cute.
Thank you. The nose.
The nose is pink again.
The nose. And how about blue eyes for Remy?
And outside too. Oh my god.
Yes.
I don't want the blue to be like that. It is not like
Yeah,
that.
it doesn't matter. It still looks cute. And
This looks like Mr. Funny.
Mr. Funny? Who's Mr. Funny? I don't know. But I'm sure this is our very own special Remy. Okay, let's get the nose to shine a bit. Okay, so we are done.
Ta-da!
And of course, as you can see, we got to make sure that the paint is dry before we can play the game. So do you think it's cute, Kenzo?
Yes.
Great job. Okay.
Yeah, we have succeeded in doing the game Catch the Rat. Okay, even though our Remy doesn't really look like the one that is shown, but we succeeded. And of course, let's play the game right now. Okay, so Kenzo is going to guess. Close your eyes, Kenzo. Yes, so which one do you think is the rat is in?
This one.
Yeah, he's correct. Okay, and what about you, Kenzo? Of course, at this point of time, you know why he's able to guess now? Because the light is shining and he's able to see the shadow inside. What you can do is you can actually put a colored paper around it to prevent people from seeing the shadow that's inside. So Kenzo, come. see if you okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. Okay? Done.
Done.
It's here.
Eh.
Ta-da!
No.
Yes, this is going to be a very interesting game that you can do together with your children. So we need to tell them what they are supposed to do. Okay, so not to worry if you feel that the instructions has been given a bit fast. At the end of this video, I'm going to take a photo of the instruction inside and I'm going to put it all the way behind and you are able to just take a look. So if you enjoyed the video, do remember to subscribe so that you can be updated about all the videos that we have every week. That's it for today. Bye!